I'm Daniel from DanielBerryGuitarTutor.com and welcome to today's video in which we're going to take a look at Bad Moon Rising by CCR, Creedence Clearwater Revival. As always, if you like today's video, hit the like and subscribe buttons for me, as this helps me grow the channel and bring you more guitar tutorials. So with all that said, let's learn how to play Bad Moon Rising. Right, so Bad Moon Rising, here we go. So I'm going to do this video in two ways. First off, I'm going to show you how to play it all in open chords. You may be familiar with these open chords. D, A, G, back to D again. They're the three chords we need. A sneaky little D seventh that throws itself in there, but they are the chords we need for Bad Moon Rising. And then after I've shown you in open chords, I'm going to show you how it's played using a couple of bar chords as well, which is also quite handy if you want to move on up to doing the bar chords. Right, so let's start with, so we've got down, down, up, down with in D. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. And then we're going to go down, down in A, down, down, and down, down for G, down, 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 up, down, 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 down. And then we've got, sorry, we'll go over that again. So down, down, up, down, 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 down. And again, down, down, up, down, 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 down. Right. Then we move on to, so we've done, and then we've got down, down, up, down. So I'll show you how to do that. Well, I'm going to get up close to the camera. There we go. And what we're going to do, in the D chord, the open D, you'll find the first finger is sitting on the second, in the second fret on the third string. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to move between that finger, first finger, and our little finger, which is going to be on the third string, fourth fret. So we're going to go, but we're not going to play single that note out. We're going to play it as part of the D chord, so it's going to sound like, yeah, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So follow along with me, get yourself in position. So there's your D chord, little finger, fourth fret on the third string, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So we got down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down. Okay, so let's play all of that section, and then I'll show you where the D7 comes in. So we got, yeah, I see the bad moon rising, D, A, G, D, D, A, G, D, D, A, G, D, D7, G, D, A, G, D. Okay, so that's all together. I'll play it through one more time for you, and then we'll move on to the bar chords. Right, here we go. So we've got down, down, up, down, A, G, down, 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 down. So D7, G, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down. And there we go, all in open chords. Right, let's move on to incorporating a couple of bar chords in there, which is highly likely what they're doing actually on the record. We're gonna keep our D in open position though. We're going to go. Quite a handy little tool that. So we've got. Then we've got A as a bar chord up there on the 5th fret. I'll bring that up to the camera. So there we go. Can you see that? Our A. And then we're going to go down to our G, which is sliding that down to the 3rd fret, G, and then back to our D, right? Okay, so let's just go through that. So we've got down, down, up, down, A, G, down, D, A, G, D, D, A, G, D, D, A, G, D, D7, G, back to D, A, G, D. Instrumental wise, so what happens in the guitar instrumental? The guy is just doing, and then he goes. So we've got a G chord, but we're making use of our little finger, and we're going to come on and off of the 2nd string 5th fret. So I don't know if you can see that. I'll hold that right there. So off, on, da da dum, ba dum. So it's going to sound like this. So twice of it off, and then on. Back to the D. So we've got G, D, and then to the A, same trick but different, slightly different pattern. So A, and then back to the D. So the guitar solo that goes on in the song goes. D, A, G, D, D, A, G, D, D, A, G, D, D7, then G, D, and then in the A. Do that again for you. A. So we've got A. All together then. D, A, G, D. D, A, G, D. D, A, G, D. D, A, G, D, D7, G, D, A, G, D. So there we are, Bad Moon Rising. How did you get on? Anything you found difficult? Just let me know in the comments section below. Also, if there are any songs you'd like me to pick apart and bring to you in another video, again, just let me know in the comments section below. I always love to hear from you. If you liked today's video, please can you click like and subscribe. And also you may want to head on over to danielberryguitartutor.com and sign up to my newsletter, which is full of tips and tricks for the beginner guitarist. It's been great to have you along, and I'll catch you in the next video.